Hello everyone. Today, for those of you who are new to Binance, I'll explain how to sign up through the app, make a deposit, and trade futures in detail, step by step. I'll make it really easy to understand, so please watch until the end. First, I'll show you how to create a Binance account. Install the Binance app on your mobile device. On the App Store or Play Store, you can search for the Binance app and install it. Once installed, please open the app. On the first screen, tap I'm new to crypto to get started. Now, let's begin the sign-up process. First, you need to create an account. You can create an account using either your email address or mobile number. After entering it, check the box to agree to the terms below, and tap the register button. When a verification code is sent to the email address or mobile number you entered, enter the verification code to complete the verification process. Now, create a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. After entering it, tap the Continue button. Next, you need to register an inviter. Since an inviter cannot be added after registration is complete, you must register it now. To register an inviter, tap the Yes button. The referral ID input field will then appear. Enter BB333 here. You will then receive a lifetime 20% discount on Binance trading fees, and various new user bonuses. Here, you can see that the 20% trading fee discount has been applied. Next, I'll show you how to complete KYC verification. If you want to use all the features on Binance, including deposits, withdrawals, and trading, you must complete KYC verification. First, select your residence, and then select your document issuing country. Next, proceed with identity document verification. From the document type options shown below, select whichever identity document is most convenient for you and complete the verification. Today, we'll select ID card. After selecting your identity document, check the box to agree to the terms below, and tap the Continue button. Tap Take Pictures to photograph your identity document. When the camera screen appears, position your identity document inside the frame, and take clear photos of both the front and back without any glare. After taking the photos, facial verification will begin. Position your face in the center of the frame, and follow the instructions to nod your head or blink your eyes. Once you have completed these steps, your KYC verification request will be submitted automatically. The review process usually takes around 1 hour. And once the review is complete, you can see that your KYC verification has been approved. Next, I'll show you how to set up two-factor authentication. Since your Binance account contains assets, you should set up two-factor authentication to strengthen your account security. First, tap the Binance icon in the top left corner of the Binance home screen, and then tap the arrow icon in the top right corner. From the menu below, select Security to configure your security settings. The Authenticator app, which generally provides the strongest security, is commonly used. Select Authenticator app. First, to download the Authenticator app, tap the Download button. Once the download is complete, tap the Enable Authenticator app button below. When a verification code is sent to your registered email address or mobile number, enter the verification code to complete the verification process. You will then be taken to the Authenticator link screen. Here, you can see that a 16-digit key has been generated by Binance. Copy the generated 16-digit key. Now, open the installed Authenticator app. Next, tap the plus button in the bottom right corner, and select Enter a setup key. Enter Binance in the codename field, and paste the 16-digit key copied from the Binance app into the Your Key field. When you tap the Add button below, your Binance account will be added to the Google Authenticator app, and a 6-digit code will be generated. Copy this 6-digit code, and return to the Binance app. Tap the Next button below. When the Authenticator app code field appears, paste the 6-digit code copied from the Google Authenticator app. The Google Authenticator setup will then be complete, and your account security will be successfully strengthened. Next, I'll show you how to switch the Binance app to Pro mode. To use various Binance features including futures trading, you need to switch to Pro mode. First, tap the Binance icon in the top left corner of the Binance home screen. At the bottom you will see the Binance Pro button. Tap this button once. The app will immediately switch to Binance Pro mode. You can now use all of Binance's various features. Today I explained everything from how to create an account through the Binance app, to KYC verification and how to set up two-factor authentication, in a really simple way. If you experienced any difficulties while following along, please feel free to leave a comment at any time. If you found today's video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching today.